Alright guys, here's a little review on the 2017 Z125 Pro that my buddy Jude has here. He's gonna tell you what.
Yours a lot sweeter than that bike.
Yeah, that three-wheeler back there is pretty nice too, huh? Yeah. But yeah, he's put a pipe on this thing and put an intake on it, and been running it around now. There's how many miles on this thing? What do we got on the odometer? 400 miles even. Huh, that's weird.
I'm traded in.
Yeah, what's the top speed on that thing?
68, rev limiter downhill.
So 68 mile an hour downhill for the Z125 Pro.
Yeah, that's down a steep hill banging rev limiter. That's not.
But everyday riding with the pipe, we get about 60 mile an hour, 62 depending on the headwind. And he's about you know,
fat, so.
he's about 280 pounds. So
I ain't that fat, you dickhead. I'm like 260.
Fire this thing up. Let's hear this pipe.
Turn it on.
I don't know how you start it.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
Fun.
Ooh, 2 cranks. Can't really see the intake. I guess you can. Not too good though. It's a foam intake.
Black smokes, yeah.
Not too bad. Runs good.
And yes, you can put a pipe. I'll put me on there. You can put a pipe and an intake on and reset your ECU by taking off your negative terminal for, I think it's like 10 minutes. Then put it back on, let it idle for 15 minutes. It reflashes your ECU with your air mods.
So you don't need a power commander for just a bolt-ons.
You don't need it unless you do a big bore and all the other shit, and then they'll go fast. And everybody's happy. Not putting a plate on there.
Got a plate relocator kit.
Yeah.
Oh, nobody cares about your license plate. Let them come down.
Huh?
Yeah, he's wanting to take some Grom tires and put on this thing for what reason I don't know.
Plus the handle better. That's what they say.
Yeah.
Still got my seat all dirty. It's nice, brand new.
Yeah, 400 miles on it. He's kind of iffy on it. Kind of wished he got a Grom. Kind of wished he didn't. Kind of wished he did. But yeah, not too bad. It's not even broke in yet. Got another couple hundred miles to go probably till it starts going a little bit faster maybe.